dunidaba dhammaanteed jacayloo dabaaldegeen waa habeen dareenno dafaa dunidaba dhammaanteed jacayloo dabaaldegeen daymada daawashada kalgacalka leh deeqlaysu siin jiray
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dilawar. I'm calling from the Fairway Pavilion. Welcome to our venue. We have become associated with the Somali community for the last 30 years. When our community arrived in the UK, we have become a pillar of support in helping and assisting any social projects, any weddings, any events. We have always been there for the community, and we are always here for the community. This is your venue. Our venue is yours. We are you. So we are able to assist you in any type of event that you may have. We have versatile facilities here. We provide fantastic Somali traditional food with our Somali chefs. We also provide Arabic food. We provide Pakistani food. We have the amazing facilities here that we have segregated facilities. We have mahar facilities. We have facilities for prayer here. And we are able to afford any type of services that you may require. One main thing is, as we are a 50-year-old company, we are able to beat anybody's price. We will give you the best and we will charge you the least. And we will guarantee you that there is nobody in and around this area who will provide you with a better service, and we will provide you with a better value for money as well. So I would like to thank Somali National Television for giving me the opportunity to pass my message to you. And I pray for you, and Jazakumullah khair, and I wish you the very best, and please contact me and I will provide you with the best. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. habeen doorto wadagta cashaqa ayda fureno ubaxya isla dooneen wahabeenkii darajada labada istaneeya shamacay isu daareen wahabeenkii darajada labada istaneeya shamacay isu daareen dhalinyarada dookhiyo dadka isku raaco malxadiyo damashaad makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna dhalinyarada dookhiyo dadka isku raaco malxadiyo damashaad makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna.
I'd like to take this opportunity by thanking Somali National TV for being here today, and they have been absolutely amazing, and it's just amazing that we guys are working as a community, as a part of one, everything is just working amazingly smoothly, as if we become one team and everything. So it's just amazing. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Somali TV, Somali National TV.